Hello students, I hope you all are better at your home, and in this video we are going to talk about sexuality in organisms. Sexuality in organisms and this is very important and very confusing topic. Okay, so just listen me carefully. Okay, first of all, organisms can be categorized into two types. First is the monoecious, next is the dioecious. Monoecious is also known as bisexual, dioecious is known as unisexual. Okay students, mono means single. Mono means single. When both sexes male and female are present on the same individual, on the same organism, on the same plant, this condition is called monoecious, and opposite of it is the dioecious. Means both sexes are present on the different plants or different individual or organisms. Means one organisms having only single or gamete, single I can say reproductive organ, then they will be called unisexual. Student, to learn this all I have one trick. Okay, monoecious is very tough topic, but the Hindi of this is ekashrayi. Okay, ekashrayi means when both sexes are on the same. ekashrayi means एक. ekashrayi means एक. जब एक ही पे दोनों ऑर्गेनिज्म, दोनों गैमेट्स बन जाएं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एकाश्रयी, या इन इंग्लिश इट इज कॉल्ड मोनेशियस. एकाश्रयी से आप एक याद करिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट, व्हेन बोथ गैमेट्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन अ सेम, when both gametes are present on a same organisms. Okay, when both male and female gametes are present on a different organisms. Okay, monoecious condition is seen in both, whether it is plant or animals. In plants, cucurbits, coconut, okay, cucurbits and coconuts both having both sexes on the same plant. Okay, for coconut also and cucurbits also. For in case of algae there is a chara. Okay, chara or kara. Okay, you all can see its diagram. Let me show you all. 1 minute. Yes, see. See, this is the chara whole body. This is an alga, and this is the Antheridium male sex organ, and this is the female sex organ Oogonium, female sex organ. So both are having on the same plant. Okay. Okay students, I will teach you through the diagram in the last. Okay, first study these all things, and the next would be in animals, earthworm, leech, tapeworm and sponges. Both sexes are present in the same individual or in the same organism. Okay, in the case of dioecious, in plants, means both sexes are present on a different plants, or we can say on different plants. Example, papaya and date palm. Date palm is khajur. Papaya, you have seen some plant of the papaya don't produce the fruits because they are male plants. Their work is to only to produce pollen grains, and pollen grains released from the flower of these plants, papaya plants, which fall on the female plant. Okay, where they produce fruits. Okay, after the fertilization. And date palm also, in the case of animals, cockroach, ascaris, and you can add ourself also, human. That is the human. We are the dioecious, yeah, we can say unisexual. Okay students, and one more thing, in plants, if there is a plant male plant means having male flower. What is the reproductive organ of the plant? Flower. If that plant is the male plant, then have the only male flower, and this type of flower is called staminate. That is known as staminate, and bearing stamens only, and stamen is the unit of the androecium. Okay, which stamen bears the pollen grain. In the case of same for the flower, female flower, this is called pistillate. Pistillate is for referring for the pistil, okay. Pistil is also known as bicarpel. Okay, the unit of the pistil is the ganoecium is the pistil or carpel. Okay, we will be studying about these all in the chapter number 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay student, I hope you all have got it. Next is the very important, see, note, I have given the very special heading, maize. Plant is bisexual. Okay, plant is bisexual means monoecious, but flower is unisexual. If we see the plant, it is a male part, we can say male flower, and the cob, this is a female flower. Pollen grain dispersed from here and they reach to this female flower. Okay, that is why the seeds are there only here, not here. Okay, so it is not written in most of the books, but it is very 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 important. Plant is the bisexual, yeah, we can say monoecious, but flower is the unisexual. You can say dioecious. Next is the very also very important types of gametes. Gametes is of two types, isogametes, or in short other name is the homogametes, and next is the heterogametes. Just learn isogametes and heterogametes. Means when both male and female gametes are morphologically same or similar, means they are having same appearance, this is called isogametes. Example, some algae, example cladophora. Example of the algae is the cladophora. Now 10 marks will be of MCQ in your this coming session. Okay, and here when both male and female gametes are not morphologically same or similar, example fucus, and homo sapiens mean both male and female morphology, yeah, physical appearance is different. Male gamete is the antheridium or sperm. Sperm is called of the male gametes in higher animals. Okay, but in the case of higher we can say lower plants, that is antherozoid. Don't get confused. In the case of human, it can't be antherozoid. We are studying sex types of gametes, so I have written like this, and your book also write like this. Don't get confused. Next is the female gametes. Ovum is the case of the higher animals. Ovum. Okay. Egg is for the plants. Okay. See the diagram. This is the example of cladophora. Both gametes are same. This is the example of fucus, male gamete, female gamete. See, morphology means external appearance is different. Here isogamete external appearance is same. Here different, and here also human sperm is tall, having tail also, and here ovum is the spherical in shape. So students, I have thought that you have got all the point, and in the next video lecture we'll be discussing phases of sexual reproduction. Okay students, so that is very important, and bye bye, take care, revise all the things.